Ever wondered what dangerous creatures lurk in the mountains besides bears? Welcome to the first part of our journey into the wild, where we'll be uncovering the often overlooked perils that await in the high altitudes. Today, we're delving into the world of mountain wildlife, and trust me, it's more than just the grizzlies you need to be wary of. Understanding the dangers of mountain wildlife is not just about keeping ourselves safe. It's also about respecting and preserving the delicate balance of these unique ecosystems. The mountains are home to a diverse range of creatures, each playing a vital role in maintaining the health of the environment. And while some of these creatures might seem intimidating, it's crucial to remember that they're not the villains in this story. They're simply trying to survive, just like us. So who are these misunderstood creatures? Well, first off, we have the elusive mountain lions. These large cats are masters of stealth, often hiding in the shadows, ready to pounce on their unsuspecting prey. Their strength is not to be underestimated, and their presence demands respect. Then we have the pack-hunting wolves. These social animals are not just intelligent but also highly organized in their hunting strategies. An encounter with a lone wolf might not be cause for concern, but stumbling upon a pack is a different story entirely. And finally, we can't forget about the venomous snakes. Slithering in the undergrowth, these reptiles might be small, but they pack a powerful punch. A single bite from one of these creatures can be life-threatening, making it essential to tread carefully when venturing into their territory. So, there you have it, a brief introduction to the often overlooked dangers that lie beyond the bears in mountainous regions. And remember, it's not about fearing these creatures. Instead, it's about understanding them, respecting them, and learning how to coexist peacefully. After all, we're all just visitors in their home. Understanding these animals not only keeps you safe, but also contributes to their conservation. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of mountain lions, wolves, and venomous snakes in the coming segments. Mountain lions, also known as cougars, are one of the most dangerous predators in the mountains. These majestic creatures are the embodiment of stealth and power. They are widely distributed across the Americas, from the Rocky Mountain areas of Canada down to the dense forests of South America. Their habitat, though vast, is specific. They prefer areas with plenty of cover and clear lines of sight for hunting. Unlike many predators, mountain lions are solitary creatures. They are fiercely territorial, with males often having a range of up to 100 square miles. Each mountain lion's territory is a kingdom unto itself, with the lion as the undisputed ruler. They are nocturnal, most active during dawn and dusk. This is when they do their hunting, silently stalking their prey until they are within striking distance. So, what triggers a mountain lion to attack? In most cases, mountain lions prefer to avoid humans. However, there are certain situations that can provoke an attack. If a mountain lion is startled or feels threatened, it may lash out. This is why it's crucial to make noise while hiking in mountain lion territory. It gives them a chance to avoid you. Protecting their young is another trigger. Mother mountain lions, like most animals, are fiercely protective of their offspring. If they perceive you as a threat to their cubs, they will not hesitate to attack. It's best to give wide berth to any mountain lion cubs you might come across. Finally, being cornered can provoke an attack. Mountain lions are powerful, but they're also cautious. If they feel they have no escape route, they may choose to fight rather than flee. If you ever find yourself face to face with a mountain lion, it's vital to maintain eye contact, make yourself appear larger, and slowly back away without turning your back. Understanding the behavior of mountain lions can help us coexist with these incredible creatures. They are not mindless killers, but complex animals with their own social structures and survival instincts. Yes, they pose a potential danger, but they also play a vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. So, if you're an outdoor enthusiast venturing into mountain lion territory, remember, respect their space, make your presence known, and never approach or corner them. These cats are masters of their domain, and we are merely visitors in their vast, wild kingdoms. Respecting their territory and understanding their behavior can decrease the chance of a dangerous encounter. These majestic creatures, like all wildlife, deserve our admiration and respect. So let's step lightly, move quietly, and always remember, in the mountains we are not alone. Wolves might be less solitary than mountain lions, but they are no less dangerous. Wolves are remarkable creatures, known for their striking features and strong pack dynamics. They are found in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and even Arctic regions. These habitats offer them a wide range of prey, from elk and deer to smaller mammals and birds. Wolves are pack animals, typically living in tight-knit family groups of 6 to 10 individuals. although packs can number up to 30 or more. They are territorial creatures, with each pack controlling a large area that can span up to several hundred square miles. The pack is led by an alpha male and female who are typically the only ones to breed, and the rest of the pack is made up of their offspring and other related wolves. Their hunting strategy relies on teamwork and strategy. Wolves are known to be tireless runners, capable of covering large distances in pursuit of their prey. They use their numbers to their advantage, surrounding and tiring out their prey before moving in for the kill. This strategy allows them to take down animals much larger than themselves. Despite their reputation, wolf attacks on humans are relatively rare. They prefer to avoid humans, and most attacks occur when wolves are provoked or feel threatened. Threats to their pack, especially to their young, can trigger aggressive behavior. Food scarcity can also lead to attacks, as hungry wolves may venture closer to human settlements in search of food. If you encounter a wolf or a pack, it's important to remember a few things. Never approach or try to feed a wolf. If you see pups, steer clear, as wolves are particularly protective of their young. If a wolf approaches you, make yourself look larger by standing tall and spreading your arms or jacket wide. Do not run or turn your back, as this could trigger a chase instinct. Instead, slowly back away while maintaining eye contact. In the event of an attack, fight back. Unlike with bears, you should not play dead with wolves. Use anything you have at your disposal as a weapon, aiming for the wolf's face and muzzle. Remember though that such instances are extremely rare, and wolves are more likely to be afraid of you than you are of them. Understanding wolves and their behavior can help to mitigate the risk they pose. They are highly intelligent and social animals with complex behaviors and social structures. They play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems, controlling prey populations, and thus influencing the vegetation and other wildlife. By keeping a safe distance and avoiding any actions that might be seen as a threat, you can coexist peacefully with these majestic creatures. They are a testament to the wild and untamed beauty of our natural world, and a reminder of why we must strive to protect it. While larger predators might seem more frightening, don't underestimate the danger that venomous snakes can pose. The mountain environment is an ideal habitat for a variety of venomous snakes. These creatures often find solace in rocky areas where they can easily camouflage and hide from potential threats. Not only do these rocky terrains provide a perfect hiding place, but they also serve as a favorable hunting ground for these reptiles. Snakes can often be found nestled under logs or rocks, waiting patiently for their next meal to stroll by. These serpents are predominantly nocturnal creatures. As the sun sets and temperatures drop, they slither out from their hiding places in search of food. This behavior is largely down to their cold-blooded nature, which requires them to avoid the scorching heat of the day. So if you're out and about at night, be extra cautious of where you step. Venomous snakes are generally not aggressive creatures. On the contrary, they are defensive and would much rather avoid confrontation. However, if they feel startled, cornered, or threatened, they will not hesitate to strike in self-defense. This is why it's so important to avoid disturbing their habitats. If you're moving rocks or logs, do so cautiously, and always be prepared for what might be lurking underneath. What triggers an attack from a venomous snake? Well, it's usually down to a misunderstanding. Snakes don't have ears like we do. Instead, they sense vibrations in the ground. If you're walking heavily, and a snake senses your vibrations, it might mistake you for a large, threatening animal and strike out of fear. Alternatively, if you accidentally step too close to a snake or even on it, it's likely to bite in self-defense. So how can you avoid these dangerous encounters? First and foremost, awareness of your surroundings is key. Watch your step, especially in rocky areas or places with lots of hiding spots for snakes. If you're hiking at night, use a flashlight to illuminate your path and watch out for any slithering shapes. Wearing the proper attire can also help. Thick boots and long pants can provide a barrier between you and a snake's fangs. And remember, if you do encounter a snake, give it plenty of space and never attempt to handle it. Even a dead snake can still bite and inject venom. Lastly, educate yourself about the types of venomous snakes that inhabit the mountains where you're adventuring. Knowing what to look for can help you avoid a dangerous encounter. Remember, snakes don't want to hurt you, they're simply defending themselves. Being aware of your surroundings and knowing what to look for can prevent a deadly snake bite. While these animals pose a threat, they are a crucial part of the mountain ecosystem. From the mountain lions that stealthily stalk their prey to the pack-hunting wolves and the venomous snakes that lie in wait, each creature plays a significant role in the intricate web of life that unfolds on the slopes and peaks of our world's mountains. Mountain lions, also known as cougars or pumas, are solitary creatures that prefer the quiet isolation of rocky terrains and dense forests. Their elusive nature often keeps them hidden from the human eye, but it's their predatory instincts that can pose a danger when they feel threatened or hungry. The wolves of the mountains, on the other hand, are social creatures. They travel in packs and work together to hunt their prey. Wolves are generally wary of humans, but when food is scarce or their territory is invaded, they can become aggressive. Then there are the venomous snakes that call the mountains their home. They prefer the cool, damp areas under rocks and logs, and while they may be small in size, their bite can pack a deadly punch. These snakes are generally more afraid of us than we are of them, but if startled or threatened, they will defend themselves. Each of these creatures, in their own way, contributes to the balance and beauty of the mountain ecosystem. They control populations of other animals, aid in the decomposition of organic material, and even provide food for other species. But we must remember, while we marvel at their beauty and strength, they are wild creatures with instincts built for survival. To ensure our safety and theirs, we must respect their habitats, understand their behaviors, and avoid triggering an attack. In essence, the mountains are a world of wonder, danger, and raw natural beauty. They are home to creatures that inspire awe and demand respect. Remember, knowledge and respect for these creatures can ensure your mountain adventure is safe and memorable.